We've made 1.3 million.
I named my third one Jordan.
Welcome to our suite.
I want to be a role model for my kids, and I can't be if I'm not aligned.
So what's happening today?
Today we are going for another staycation to Marsa Al Arab, where we went for my birthday. It's a new hotel in Dubai. But first, I have some breath work with a professional breathwork person. I don't really know what that is, but I want to make sure that I'm staying connected with self and growing on the spiritual and emotional side as we do that. So first,
I'm so tired of playing with.
we have an internal communication system called Slack, which most people use. Every day I get a report through, which just shows how much money we've made and how we're tracking against target. So it's the 11th of June now, and we've got our targets, and at the moment we've made 1.3 million by the 11th of June. One of the reasons we've been able to scale is AI, but it's team members as well. So you can see here we have now over 153 team members within the biz. That's one of the reasons why I need to continue to work on my mind and my development, because when you're leading a lot of people, if you're misaligned, you're gonna mislead them. So it's very easy not to take time for yourself, but for me it's very important, because if you do the right things will happen. I left school at 16 because we didn't have the money for me to go to university, right? So I went into work straight away, and at 16 you're pretty clueless about life, and I just started taking on stress. I took on multiple jobs, and I just wanted to be rich, right? And in the pursuit of that, I actually made myself very sick. I had chronic back pain, and I was stressed. I didn't know I was stressed because I really just suppressed all my emotions. On one side, it looked like I was successful, but on the other side, I had crippling chronic pain that I just couldn't get rid of, even with an operation and stuff. So I started to invest more in my health, right? And part of that is massages, acupuncture, but also giving time for the mind to be freed as well.
You're going to basically breathe in this deeper, fuller, connected way, yeah? So the breath is going to go down into your belly. It's going to be something like this. So deeper, fuller, faster, it's going to bring out emotions, yeah? Feelings, stuff that you've repressed. So the next one is really around the somatic, body felt kind of sense. So we store a lot of trauma, a lot of kind of stuckness, we call it like issues in your tissues. So we want you to really follow the impulses of your body. So if you feel like you need to kick or punch, we're going to create a safe space for you to do that. We don't want you hitting yourself.
Wild.
So good.
Wild. I thought I would have cried, not laughed. That's really interesting, because I don't really cry a lot, so I was thinking, maybe I'd cry, but there's just so much joy.
That's so great. That's so wonderful.
So interesting.
Yeah. So just any highlights that you want to share, you're really welcome, and we'll talk about integration as well. So
Like after the,
yes,
like getting stuff out. When my grandma passed, I was there.
Okay.
With my auntie and my mum, and we'd stayed with her through the night, and it was it was inevitable. She was very frail,
Yeah.
and when she passed, I felt and seen her soul leave her body, and up until that stage I wasn't very spiritually connected, and I felt it, it wasn't like I was there in the room, you could feel she was so there was just letting go of I suppose a lot of the bullshit. I'm about to eat. So that was an experience and a half. Super interesting how connected business and personal felt, and just so much of the things that I was thinking about and worrying about in the business was actually massive opportunities. It shows you how important mindset is. But yeah, quick lunch now. Stacey is always late and then says she's ready, but she's not, because we would be leaving if she was ready. Then we'll head to the hotel, check in, and then hit the gym.
We're going to the Marsa Al Arab. Marsa Al Arab?
Marsa Al Arab.
Okay, Marsa Al Arab.
No, we've got Marsa.
I know, I said that.
A chill couple of days.
Yeah.
We need it. Again, pregnancy is not for the faint-hearted. For any ladies out there, who work during the pregnancy. My God, you are warriors.
Hello, welcome to our suite.
Welcome to the best hotel in Dubai. It comes complimentary with a wife.
She's very expensive.
Full mini bar. A lemon, a lime, and a plum. I usually call it potato. Plum is actually a compliment.
Plum is better.
A plum is a compliment. Nice little sitting area. Little snacks.
We're gonna have all the chocolate later. We
Master
have
bed.
2 bathrooms because I can share a bathroom with him.
Very wise. So come out.
Come
I
on.
want to show you. So these houses here, there's only 10 of them, right? They're all like mini mansions. Don't know if that's the thing. 380 million AD, which is over 100 million US dollars for one of those houses. That is insane. This is a residence, yeah. Just even to rent a like 2-bed apartment for a year is probably like 50 grand a month. Luxury real estate for sure.
We have more to show.
Can you show the rest of them? The slippers are good.
Slippers are
this is nice.
so good. I don't think you got them done again.
I don't know if yours are because I didn't tell them you were coming.
I'm gonna have them. Did you not? Were you coming with someone
I didn't know
else?
if I was going to invite you. But since you...
But I'm here. We have the bathroom. Here's where Jordan's sleeping tonight. In the bathtub.
I met Stephen today, who seems to be a great father, and he's lived very intentionally with his kids. He actually delayed the trip to come out and see me so he could stay and coach his son's baseball, which not many men would. But meeting him and seeing how we've helped him to grow his business to be in a position where he can do that. He's had some success before, and it makes me recognize like doing deals in business with good people is such a hack. You have one little one.
I have 3.
3?
And in honor of our meeting here, I named my 3rd one Jordan.
Ah,
I swear I did.
Wow, that's
I mean-
so good. You enjoy fatherhood?
It's the most wonderful thing.
Yeah.
Like, it's the best gift we could possibly have. I don't know what other gift could be so meaningful
Yeah.
to like bring, new life into this world with someone that you love, and
Yeah.
all the best to you guys.
Thank you so much. We're speaking about, okay, what's the next chapter of the business look like? There was about 10 on the call. We've scaled up pretty quickly. We have about 150 team members now, which I can't believe. I looked in the general channel, I was like 150. And some of them will be contractors, so there's maybe like 130 direct. So last year we didn't exponentially grow. We grew by 60% throughout the year. Like it's good lessons in terms of I wouldn't do it again the same, because what I know now, I think that I could make better informed decisions which would make the business better. But also if I hadn't have went through that, we wouldn't have been able
Could
to
you
do
have been
this.
here?
Yeah.
Right.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome. This is Talise Fitness Spa here in Marsa Al Arab. Today we're going to be doing 3 different treatments for our athletic recovery. The first one is going to be using our eye dome. Now the eye dome is infrared sauna. How it works is the light goes into your cells, it activates your mitochondria to vibrate, and basically you detoxify. Really interesting. After you're inside for 10 minutes sweating, if I was to put my hand inside, I would feel no heat at all because the light hasn't activated my cells, so therefore I don't feel any of the heat. We have a hyperbaric oxygen chamber. We breathe 26% oxygen right now. Our hyperbaric chamber gives you 95% oxygen. And our third and final is cryotherapy. I'm sure you've heard of this one. We're using compressed air rather than liquid nitrogen. It's much safer and more sustainable. But also, it is negative 88 Celsius inside. And we will go today for what, 5 minutes? 6 minutes?
As long as we
All
can.
right,
Let's
awesome.
go.
All right,
What's
yeah.
the record?
Can't talk very well, so I'm not going to be giving any insights at this stage. I'm going to focus on the breathing. 2 biohacking therapies down, feeling like a new man. I'm definitely going to kit the house out with more of this stuff after summer. These things are easy to do, but also easy enough to do as well. And I have a big insight to share on this, but first. just jumped in the sauna and I got the second text from today. 2 of my clients wanting to move to Dubai. So I wanted to share my honest experience of moving, living here, building a business here. When I moved, I had a lot of misconceptions of. So I wish someone had made this video or at least just shared these insights. So first and foremost, for me, Dubai has been amazing in almost every aspect in comparison to the UK. But I'm comparing it to living in London, so it wasn't super high. There is some downsides, of course, with everything. It's very hot during the summer, so it's likely that you're going to want to travel during the summertime, which costs a lot of money if you want to continue living a high lifestyle. Also, lifestyle creep will happen in Dubai. It's no more expensive than London. You just do more and better things, therefore you end up spending more. That's just my honest opinion, that it serves my lifestyle. It's not to say that it would serve yours.
So I was gonna explain what this is, but it's a fucking tongue twister. So
alright. So this one is a butterfly pea flower. The ingredients are hibiscus, dried mandarin, and mint and lemonade. So its work, it have to boost your immunity system and good for sleep recovery and good for digestion. Perfect. So this one is a caffeine free and organic. So it's very good. Please try.
Thank you, Deepak.
You're welcome.
Verdict? I'm joking. It's very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
I feel very grateful, but also very aware that I'm about to move into a chapter of my life that I can have huge influence on, but not full control. So trips like this can seem excessive, but also what else is more important than actually working towards being a good father and a good leader?
Leopard? That would be me. It's my leopard. Come on, you little leopard. What did they say? A leopard can't change its spots.
What? Oh, I can't get in.
Why?
Baby. We should just get him out of here. Out, sir.
I was just talking about maturing and becoming a parent. I don't want to lose my identity when I become a parent. Become boring. Start driving a Prius.
I think
Or Teslax. Cooked.
I'm cooked. I needed this.
Always a good excuse to go away. Chill. Treat yourself like royalty because no one else is going to.
You do treat me as royalty.
Family night. It's unlikely though. Look after your family. Call your mum.
Call your wife.
Call your side chick.
You're going home soon. You're gonna leave me for 3 days. It's going to be the longest 3 days of my life.
My time's gonna fly over. I've got so much to do back in the UK. Try and group everyone in together. Spend some time with my dad.
Definitely more successful when I give myself more time. And of course, I'm at a different level when I first start out. When you first start out, you don't have team members. But if you can make money and then hire other people to deliver the work, then you can focus on keep making money and then keep working on higher leverage things. You will continue to make more money. Most people get fixated on needing to save money, need to do everything, being very risk averse, looking at all the potential problems, rather than spending their time and figuring out just how to make more money. If it's the game of business, money's important. If it's the game of family, love is important. So good night, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
So it's the final night before I head for our summer vacation for 2 months in Europe. Next stop, family, friends, early flight, and then we will definitely be sharing some of our time in Greece.